Thailand, the land of smiles. From Bangkok's bustling streets to Phuket's tranquil beaches, Thailand captivates the soul. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time explorer, Thailand has something extraordinary in store for you. Prepare to be enchanted by vibrant culture, warm hospitality, and sheer beauty at every turn. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to crafting both frugal and extravagant adventures. So fasten your seatbelts and let's embark on an unforgettable journey to Thailand. Imagine wandering through bustling night markets, the air thick with exotic spices. Picture yourself stepping inside magnificent temples, adorned with intricate carvings and shimmering gold leaf. Envision relaxing on pristine beaches, the gentle waves lapping at your feet. Thailand is a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Thailand is calling, and your adventure awaits. Whether you're seeking a budget-friendly escape or a luxurious getaway, we'll equip you with the knowledge to plan your dream trip. Discover the secrets of traveling like a local, from navigating Bangkok streets to bargaining in markets. We'll guide you to mouth-watering street food stalls and unveil hidden gems. Your Thai adventure begins now. Thailand is a haven for backpackers. Hostels offer dorm rooms and private rooms at affordable prices. Many hostels go above and beyond to provide a comfortable stay. Some boast rooftop terraces with breathtaking views, while others offer swimming pools and communal kitchens. Guest houses are another excellent option for budget travelers. Often family-run, these charming accommodations offer a more intimate experience. Flexibility is key when traveling on a budget. Embrace the unexpected and venture off the beaten path. One of the most exhilarating aspects of exploring Thailand is its incredible street food scene. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors, from spicy curries to sweet mango sticky rice. Venture into local markets where food stalls vie for your attention with colorful displays and enticing aromas. From savory classics like pad thai to lesser-known regional specialties, there's something for every palate. Pull up a plastic stool alongside locals. Don't forget to try the fresh fruit. Thailand is a tropical paradise with an abundance of exotic fruits. Some of the most rewarding experiences in Thailand are completely free. Immerse yourself in local culture by visiting beautiful temples scattered throughout the country. Many parks and public spaces offer free activities, from outdoor yoga to live music performances. Explore Thailand's stunning natural beauty with a hike through lush jungles or a swim in refreshing waterfalls. Prepare to be pampered in paradise as we delve into extravagant adventures in Thailand. Step into a world of opulence where every detail is meticulously crafted. Indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments inspired by ancient Thai traditions. Luxury accommodations offer a sanctuary from the ordinary. Remember, luxury is about creating memories that will last a lifetime. And in Thailand, the possibilities for unforgettable experiences are endless. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Thailand's fine dining scene has exploded, with world-renowned chefs pushing culinary boundaries. Imagine dining in award-winning restaurants where every dish is a work of art. Experience the artistry of molecular gastronomy, where traditional Thai flavors are transformed into innovative creations. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or simply appreciate the finer things in life, Thailand's gourmet dining scene promises an unforgettable journey. Beyond luxurious accommodations and gourmet dining lies a world of exclusive experiences. Imagine soaring above the clouds in a private helicopter, taking in breathtaking aerial views. For the adventurous, Thailand offers a plethora of exhilarating activities. Appreciate the finer things. Thailand is a shopper's paradise. Remember, luxury is about creating experiences tailored to your interests and passions. Venture off the beaten path and uncover Thailand's hidden gems. Imagine stumbling upon ancient ruins swallowed by the jungle. These hidden treasures offer a glimpse into Thailand's rich history and culture. Escape the tourist traps and immerse yourself in the local way of life by exploring rural villages. Seek out hidden waterfalls and take a refreshing dip in the cool, clear pools. Embrace the spirit of adventure and let your curiosity guide you to Thailand's hidden gems. For those seeking the epitome of luxury and seclusion, Thailand offers exclusive escapes. Imagine retreating to a private villa overlooking the Andaman Sea. Indulge in private island getaways where pristine beaches stretch as far as the eye can see. Embrace the healing powers of traditional Thai wellness retreats. These sanctuaries offer a holistic approach to well-being, combining ancient healing practices with modern amenities. In Thailand, the possibilities for exclusive escapes are as limitless as your imagination. From humble street food stalls to Michelin-starred restaurants, Thailand is a culinary paradise that caters to every taste and budget. Embark on a gastronomic adventure, savoring the explosion of flavors that define Thai cuisine. Start your day with a steaming bowl of noodles from a street vendor, the aroma of lemongrass and chilies awakening your senses. For lunch, venture into a local restaurant and sample a variety of curries, each with its own unique blend of spices and herbs. From the fiery green curry to the rich and creamy massaman curry, there's a curry to satisfy every palate. Don't forget to order a side of fragrant jasmine rice to soak up all the delicious sauces. As the sun begins to set, food, grilled to perfection and served with zesty dipping sauces. Savor the sweet and spicy flavors of Thai salads, the crunchy textures of stir-fried vegetables, and the refreshing sweetness of tropical fruits. Remember, food is an integral part of Thai culture, and every meal is an opportunity to connect with the local way of life. So, be adventurous, try something new, and let your taste buds guide you on an unforgettable culinary journey through Thailand. Embrace the art of bargaining. Bargaining is an integral part of Thai culture, especially in markets and with street vendors. Embrace the opportunity to engage in this playful dance of negotiation, where smiles and good humor go a long way. Remember, it's all part of the fun and adds to the authentic experience of shopping in Thailand. Start by offering a price that's significantly lower than the asking price, but be prepared to meet the vendor somewhere in the middle. Don't be afraid to walk away if you're not happy with the price. Sometimes this can be the best way to secure a good deal, but always do so with a smile and a polite thank you. Remember, bargaining should be a fun and lighthearted experience, not a stressful one. Keep your sense of humor, be respectful of the vendor, and enjoy the thrill of the chase. And who knows, you might just walk away with some unique treasures and a great story to tell. Remember, the key to successful bargaining is to be confident, respectful, and willing to have a little fun. So, channel your inner negotiator, put on your best smile, and get ready to experience the art of bargaining in Thailand. No trip to Thailand is complete without immersing yourself in the country's spiritual heart. Prepare to be awestruck by the sheer magnificence of Thailand's temples, architectural marvels that embody the country's rich history and religious devotion. Imagine standing before Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, its towering spires adorned with intricate mosaics of colorful porcelain, shimmering like jewels under the sun. Journey to Chiang Mai and ascend the lush mountainside to Wat Phra, that Doi Suthep, a sacred temple that commands breathtaking panoramic views of the city below. Feel a sense of tranquility wash over you as you witness saffron-robed monks performing ancient rituals, their chants echoing through the serene air. The scent of incense, the gentle clanging of temple bells, and the vibrant colors of prayer flags create an atmosphere of profound spirituality. Step inside the Wat Rung Khun, also known as the White Temple, in Chiang Rai, and be mesmerized by its unconventional beauty. Unlike traditional temples, this dazzling white structure, adorned with countless fragments of mirrored glass, seems to shimmer and dance in the sunlight. It's a modern masterpiece that challenges traditional notions of religious art, inviting contemplation and sparking wonder. Remember, visiting these temples is not just about sightseeing. It's about showing respect for Thai culture and traditions. Dress modestly, covering your shoulders and knees, and remove your shoes before entering sacred spaces. Embrace the opportunity to witness the spiritual heart of Thailand and connect with a culture that reveres peace, compassion, and enlightenment. Beyond the cultural treasures, Thailand beckons with its breathtaking natural beauty, from verdant jungles to idyllic islands lapped by turquoise waters. Imagine sailing through the iconic Maya Bay, its towering limestone cliffs embracing a secluded beach of pristine white sand, made famous by the movie The Beach. Dive into the crystal clear waters, teeming with colorful marine life, and let the gentle current carry you away. Explore Phang Nga Bay, a mesmerizing landscape of towering limestone karsts that rise dramatically from the emerald green waters. Kayak through hidden caves, their walls adorned with ancient paintings, and marvel at the towering mangrove forests that line the shores. As the sun begins to set, witness the sky erupt in a kaleidoscope of colors, casting long shadows over this surreal and unforgettable landscape. Venture inland to Khao Sok National Park, a pristine rainforest teeming with wildlife. Trek through dense jungle, encountering monkeys swinging through the trees, exotic birds flitting through the canopy, and if you're lucky, even wild elephants roaming freely. Cool off with a swim in a refreshing waterfall, its cascading waters a symphony of nature's music. Remember, Thailand's natural beauty is a precious gift to be cherished and protected. Practice responsible tourism by leaving no trace of your visit, supporting local conservation efforts. Let your adventures in nature be a source of inspiration and a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's wonders for generations to come. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the laid-back charm of Chiang Mai, Thailand's cities offer a vibrant tapestry of cultural experiences. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleyways of Bangkok's markets, where the air is thick with the aroma of spices, the sound of vendors hawking their wares, and the vibrant colors of silks and handicrafts. Bargain for unique souvenirs, sample exotic fruits you've never seen before, and embrace the chaotic energy of this bustling metropolis. Hop on a tuk-tuk, a three-wheeled motorized vehicle that's become synonymous with Thailand, and experience the city's frenetic pace firsthand. Zip through the streets, dodging traffic and taking in the sights and sounds of this vibrant city. As the sun sets, head to a rooftop bar and watch as the city lights twinkle below, creating a magical urban panorama. In Chiang Mai, embrace a slower pace of life. Explore ancient temples, wander through the night bazaar, and indulge in a traditional Thai massage. If you're lucky enough to be there during the Loy Krathong Festival, witness the magical sight of thousands of floating lanterns illuminating the night sky, carrying away bad luck and ushering in good fortune. Remember, each city in Thailand has its own unique character and charm. Embrace the opportunity to connect with locals, learn about their traditions, and experience the true essence of Thai hospitality. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Thailand cities offer something for everyone. As our journey through the heart of Thailand draws to a close, one thing remains abundantly clear. Thailand is a land of remarkable diversity, offering a tapestry of experiences that cater to every traveler's dreams. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, cultural immersion or luxurious indulgence, Thailand has something extraordinary in store for you. We've explored the bustling streets of Bangkok, where ancient temples stand tall amidst modern skyscrapers, and the scent of street food wafts through the air, tempting your taste buds. We've ventured off the beaten path, discovering hidden waterfalls cascading through lush jungles and peaceful villages where time seems to stand still. We've delved into the heart of Thai culture, witnessing the vibrant colors of traditional festivals, the intricate details of ancient temples, and the warm hospitality of the Thai people. We've savored the explosion of flavors that define Thai cuisine, from the fiery kick of a green curry to the refreshing sweetness of mango sticky rice. And we've discovered that whether you're traveling on a shoestring budget or seeking to indulge in life's luxuries, Thailand offers unforgettable experiences for every taste and budget. But beyond the stunning landscapes, the vibrant culture, and the delectable cuisine, it's the people of Thailand that truly make this country so special. Their warmth, their generosity, and their infectious smiles will stay with you long after you've left, leaving an imprint on your heart. Thailand is a country that has it all: a rich history, a vibrant present, and a bright future. It's a destination that will captivate your senses, challenge your perceptions, and leave you forever changed. So, what are you waiting for? The land of smiles is calling, and your unforgettable Thai adventure begins now. Whether you're drawn to the bustling energy of Bangkok, the spiritual serenity of Chiang Mai, or the idyllic beaches of the islands, Thailand promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Embrace the spirit of adventure, pack your bags, and get ready to discover the magic of Thailand. Explore ancient temples, wander through bustling markets, savor the flavors of Thai cuisine, and immerse yourself in the warmth of Thai hospitality. Create memories that will last a lifetime, filled with breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and unforgettable encounters. Thailand is a destination that will steal your heart and leave you yearning to return. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of your surroundings, connect with a culture vastly different from your own, and discover a side of yourself you never knew existed. So, go forth and create your own Thailand tale. Embrace the adventure, embrace the culture, and embrace the land of smiles. Your unforgettable journey awaits.